Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I will compare Crawlomatic, its current version, with the first version when it was created. So Crawlomatic was created back in 2017. So if you scroll down on its sales page, you will see the changelog, which holds each and every major update that was done for it. So you will see that it was created back in 2017 and today is 2022. The plugin is almost 5 years old now. And let me compare its first version with its current version. So its current version is V2392 and the first version was 1.0. So this is the Crawlomatics update log. You will see new updates coming in regularly, and today there are many new features added to Crawlomatic when compared to the first version of it. So you will see, comparing the main settings part of the plugin, that the first version of Crawlomatic had fewer options that it currently has in here. So you will see that you can scroll way more and way more settings will appear for you. So you can check here and see that there was plugin options, image options, posting options, text pinning option, and post restrictions options. Now each option is extended, and you will find also announcements which will add support to Headless Browser Api, which is an API that I created, which will render JavaScript generated content on websites which are scraped by Newsomatic, and also this JavaScript rendered content can be imported and scraped by the plugin using this API. So this is a new feature that was added to it in last year, if I recall correctly, in 2021. So if you check the update log, you will find Headless Browser API update there. Also, translation settings were added, Microsoft DeepL, Google Official Translator API added. Also many plugin options from here that are too many to list right now. Image options, royalty-free image importing options. So the plugin is now able to import royalty-free images and to set the related royalty-free images instead of the featured images of posts. So the royalty-free images are imported as related because the plugin searches these sources, so Morguefile, Pexels, Flickr, Pixabay, these sources by keyword search, and the keywords are extracted from the post titles, which are scraped. Plugin options, shortest link shortener integration, link stripping, HTML stripping, and many more options. Price scraping for WooCommerce products, text pinning options, posting restrictions, there are spinners supported, headless browser settings, because the plugin also supports Puppeteer and Phantom.js usage, which can be installed on your server and the plugin will be able to use them. Post meta options and many options that were added since then. Also, a live scraper shortcode is available, which has its documentation here, and this will scrape content directly from websites and show that scrape content on any page from your website. So this will not create posts, but on a single page or post you will be able to add this shortcode and the content will be dynamically updated and scraped as time passes. Okay, so now let's compare the web crawl to post part, because this also advanced a lot since its first version, which is this one, this plugin. So we can compare that things look similar, but if we click on settings here, we will see that there are fewer settings in the first version of the plugin when compared to the current version of the plugin. So you will see many more options here. So you will see only post customizations, featured image, posting restrictions, other customizations, and content crawling, content grabbing customizations. Here you will see many more options, and this list continues to grow as time passes because I continue to update Crawlomatic based on your suggestions. So this is something very important that I need to say, is that all these features are created based on your suggestions. So if you have suggestions for the Crawlomatic plugin, let me know in the comments of this video and I will be glad to consider them to add them in future updates for the plugin. Also, the plugin can now scrape tags, files also can be scraped and downloaded to your local server, and many more product prices and many features that were back then not available. Also, crawling helper was not there, tips and tricks were not there, and the activity logging and logging were smaller back then, as we can see here in the activity and logging menu, which also appears incorrectly in the older version that I see right now. But since then this was fixed and everything working. Also, things are updated and fully functional with the latest WordPress version, which is 5.9 right now, and the latest PHP versions, which is 8.1. Okay, so thank you for watching until the end. I will link Crawlomatic in this video's description. If you have suggestions for it, let me know. And yeah, I hope I will be able to create another video in another 5 years and compare Crawlomatic with the newest version then, and I will be able to show you guys many more updates when compared to also to this version. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.